The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most talked about compact cameras of this generation. As leaks and insider information continue to surface, it's clear that DJI is aiming to redefine what creators can do with a palm-sized, gimbal-stabilized camera. Let's dive deep into what's expected from this next-generation device, including potential specs, features, and upgrades that could make it the most advanced pocket camera yet. First up, the camera sensor, the heart of any imaging device. According to multiple reports, DJI might integrate the OmniVision OV50R40 sensor, a 50-megapixel powerhouse known for its high-speed readout, exceptional dynamic range, and in-sensor zoom capability. This sensor could serve as a secondary unit designed for telephoto, crop, or zoom modes, offering 2x to 3x lossless zoom without the digital softness we often see. Pair that with the expected continuation of the 1-inch primary sensor, and you have a dual sensor setup that balances cinematic low-light performance with sharp, detailed daylight shots. DJI might allow seamless switching between both sensors or even hybrid blending to optimize image quality, depending on the lighting conditions. Video performance is where things get truly exciting. The Osmo Pocket 3 already supported 4K at 120 FPS, so it's logical that DJI will aim even higher. Rumors point to potential 6K or even 8K video capture, likely handled by the secondary high-megapixel sensor. We could see 8K at 30 FPS, 6K at 60 FPS, and 4K at 120 FPS, all paired with high bit rates, HEVC compression, and possibly even 10-bit or 12-bit recording for serious color grading flexibility. If DJI adds ProRes or AV1 codec support, the Pocket 4 could rival professional-grade gear for a fraction of the cost. External SSD recording via USB-C could also make its way into the lineup, letting users bypass SD card limitations and record massive, high bitrate files directly to external drives. Now, let's talk about usability, the screen, interface, and design. Leaks suggest a 2.2 to 2.5-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen, capable of flipping for vertical or selfie shooting. This is a huge deal for creators on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. DJI might even add a smaller secondary screen on the back for quick selfie previews. Combine that with an improved menu system, color profiles inspired by Hasselblad's color science, and live LUT previews, and you get a camera that's as intuitive as it is powerful. Expect profiles like D-Log, HLG, and Vivid, giving you flexibility whether you're shooting cinematic content or quick social clips. Stabilization has always been the Osmo Pocket's standout feature, and the Pocket 4 is rumored to take it further. The 3-axis gimbal could feature improved torque, smoother tilt correction, and quieter motors for flawless stabilization even during fast movement. On top of that, DJI might introduce ActiveTrack 7.0, a smarter, AI-driven tracking system that recognizes faces, eyes, and even body movement. Expect better occlusion handling, predictive subject movement, and seamless transitions when shifting focus. This kind of advanced AI means solo creators can film complex shots without needing a second camera operator. Audio is another area where DJI could make significant improvements. Expect a triple mic setup with better noise reduction, higher quality preamps, and directional capture. Compatibility with the DJI Mic 2 system is likely, allowing wireless dual-channel recording directly to the Pocket 4. Imagine interviewing someone or capturing ambient sounds while maintaining pro-grade clarity. Users might even gain real-time level meters, gain control, low-cut filters, and headphone monitoring through USB-C, or a dedicated 3.5mm adapter. For vloggers and run-and-gun filmmakers, this could be a massive leap in usability. Battery life and thermals are critical in a compact form factor. Leaks suggest around 3 hours of shooting under optimal conditions, with USB-C PD fast charging to top it up quickly. Of course, 8K recording and advanced AI features will push the limits of power efficiency, so we can expect around 1.5 to 2 hours of real-world runtime at higher settings. DJI will likely include improved heat dissipation materials, perhaps graphite sheets or passive vents, to prevent thermal throttling. Even so, balancing high performance with comfort and safety will be a big test for DJI's engineers. In terms of connectivity, the Osmo Pocket 4 will probably include Wi-Fi 6 or 6E, Bluetooth 5.x, and potentially GPS tagging for your shots. USB-C with full data, video out, and charging support is expected. More ambitious rumors mention external SSD recording and clean HDMI output, both highly desired by prosumers. With DJI's focus on app integration, The Pocket 4 will likely sync seamlessly with the DJI Mimo or Fly app, supporting cloud backups, remote control, and live streaming directly to platforms like YouTube or Facebook. Design-wise, DJI is known for its precision engineering. Expect a refined metal polycarbonate hybrid body, sturdy yet lightweight. The finish will likely be matte black with subtle accents, keeping it sleek and professional. Weather resistance could be introduced, and DJI will definitely expand accessory compatibility. That means ND filter kits, wide-angle adapters, tripods, mounts, cages, and battery grips. Everything creators need for flexibility on shoots. Modularity could play a big role too, with magnetically attached or screw-in modules like external mics, LED lights, or extra battery handles. Workflow efficiency will also be a strong focus. DJI might introduce dual recording for editors working with high-resolution files, as well as seamless integration with DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, and Final Cut, direct-LUT export, in-camera color grading presets, and one-tap social sharing through the app could streamline the post-production process dramatically. Imagine capturing 8K footage, grading it on your phone, and uploading instantly. That's the future DJI seems to be building toward. Now, let's talk about when you can expect to see it. Current speculation points toward a late 2025 release, possibly with teasers or early previews by mid-year. DJI's launch pattern suggests a gradual rollout with firmware updates expanding features over time. Pricing is harder to pin down, but considering the rumored specs, the premium version could land around $999 to $499 USD. A lower-tier base model might cost closer to $699-899. That places it strategically between action cams, like the GoPro Hero 13, black and larger mirrorless setups. Of course, there are challenges DJI must overcome. Managing thermals during prolonged 8K recording, delivering accurate autofocus in low light, maintaining battery life, and ensuring ease of use with multiple sensors will all be critical. If the interface becomes too complex or the device overheats quickly, even incredible specs won't save it from criticism. But if DJI succeeds, offering reliable performance, strong cooling, and intuitive controls, the Osmo Pocket 4 could easily dominate the compact content creation market. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 appears to be an evolution built for the modern creator, compact yet powerful, smart yet intuitive. It could bridge the gap between smartphones and professional rigs, offering cinematic image quality, next-gen stabilization, dual sensor flexibility, and AI-powered usability in one sleek device. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or traveler, this could be the ultimate pocket-sized production tool. As always, remember that leaks can evolve, so take every spec with a grain of salt until DJI officially confirms them. But one thing's certain, if even half of these rumors hold true, the Osmo Pocket 4 might become the new gold standard for portable filmmaking. Stay tuned for more updates, breakdowns, and hands-on tests as we move closer to the official announcement. If you love staying ahead of the curve on camera tech and creator tools, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because this is one camera you won't want to miss.